Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and don't you just love a truly innovative and useful tool for your kitchen? Well, you're going to get 4 of them with this funnel set. So the secret to these is the fact that they are fully collapsible, and you can stack them up and store them even in a narrow drawer in your kitchen. They're made from silicone and they come in 4 different colors and sizes, which I think make them very versatile for a wide variety of applications in your kitchen. I use them for liquids, I use them for dry items, and they work great. Now you can hand wash them if you want to, or you can throw them in the dishwasher. I did both and they come out perfectly clean. I don't find that anything gets stuck to them, and there is a hole if you want to hang these up. I just love the fact that I have 4 different sized funnels that do not take up a ton of space in my tiny kitchen. You are sure to find tons of uses for this set of 4 collapsible funnels. And if you're like me and you have a limited amount of space in your kitchen, you're gonna love these even more. And that is my point of view.